Once upon a time, there was a town named Hamlin. The town was beautiful, bustling with energy and wealth. But no sooner the happiness of the town was ruined by a plague. Plague of rats. There were rats much so that the people of the town did not even have a place to keep a step without Nothing worked as a remedy. Not even the cats were able to control the plague of rats. Giving up, the authorities decided to announce a reward.
I am here to box of gold. I am here to announce a reward of a box of gold to anyone who could help us to get rid. I am here to announce a reward of a box of gold to anyone who could help us to get rid of the rats. Is there anyone here who could help us to get rid of the rats?
A strange looking man came to the town. He was dressed in bright colors, yellow and red.
With a long peculiar nose, and he adorned his hat with a feather. He went to the authorities and said,
Good morning, sir. Good morning. I am the town mayor. Who are you and how can I help you? I'm the Pied Piper. I heard you announce a reward of a box of gold for the person who could free you from the plague of rats. Can you? Sure. Can you do it? I can do it, but I need the reward. You will get the reward from me, for I am fed up with the complaints and the menace of the rats by my town people.
The authorities were not very sure of his commitment, but still allowed him to give a try.
I don't think he can. Let's see.
Soon the strange looking man took out a pipe from his pocket and started playing a strange tune within no time.
Keep that.
All the rats started coming out from every nook and corner of the town. So many rats came out that the whole street was filled with them. Very strangely, the rats started following the Pied Piper, who was playing the strangest tune ever heard. He took them to the river and entered into it in no time. All the rats, mesmerized by his tune, fell into the river and drowned.
Soon the Pied Piper went to the authorities to claim his prize money.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, Pied Piper. I have come to collect my reward, sir. Reward? What reward? You promised to give me a box of gold. Now we have got rid of the rats. We need not pay him money. I can't remember that I promising you any reward. Yes, sir, you did. Please go. I don't want to see you anymore. How selfish you all are. After your work is done, you don't want to keep your promise. Now I'll teach you a lesson.
But since their work was done, They thought that this plague would never return. They shunned him off and asked him to leave without giving him a single penny.
He cheated me. Now I'll teach him a lesson. I'll take all the children out of this town.
Soon the Pied Piper took out his pipe once again and started playing another strange tune. A tune that no one had ever heard before. In no time, all the children of the town, mesmerized by his tune, and started following the Pied Piper. The children were so lost in his tune that they did not realize that they have come to the outskirts of the town. The Pied Piper took them to a cave and led them in. He kept playing the tune until all the children were inside. He then closed the cave.
Yes, ma'am.
So the Pied Piper took all the children to the cave.
What? The Pied Piper took all the children to the cave? Where's the cave?
Come, sir, I will show you.
Pied Piper, please leave the children. Our town is very sad. First, you give my reward, then I'll hand over your children. Now I am promising you that I will give you 2 boxes of gold. Now I need it. Assistants, bring the 2 boxes of gold. Yes, sir. Now you can take your children. We surely have learnt a lesson. This man came out and saved us from an epidemic. And all that we did in return was to be selfish and ungrateful. He surely taught us a lesson of not to be greedy and selfish.
That night, the town rejoiced and celebrated like a festival. It's still said that in the town of Hamlin, if you ever go and listen carefully, you might hear the beautiful sound of the Pied Piper.